Okay guys, and welcome to this particular video. So on this video we are still going to be talking about the SoSoValue airdrop. Okay, so on the previous video that I talked about SoSoValue airdrop, I gave you guys a lot of info right there. I told you guys the 5 things that you must achieve in order for your SoSoValue airdrop to be guaranteed, in order for your position to be recognized. I told you guys a lot of things on that video. Check out the previous video that I posted before this one and you are going to be learning a lot. So on this particular video we are going to be talking about the tweet which they made talking about the SSI purchase, and from there they actually made us to understand that if you buy SSI from the official website, your quest is guaranteed to be recognized. So this has actually given us a kind of edge or information regarding the SoSoValue airdrop and how we can position for it. So from the post that I just showed you right now, I believe that if we can be able to buy the SSI index, then there is higher chances that we are definitely going to be qualified. So on this particular video I'm going to be focusing on buying the SSI indices or the indices and how you can actually go about it. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do if you're just hearing about SoSoValue for the first time is to go ahead and create your account using your email. Make sure you connect your wallet. That is very important. So when you click over here on your profile after creating an account, go to account setting, and when you get to account setting you scroll down, then you are going to be seeing the option of connecting your wallet. Make sure your wallet is linked. That is very mandatory. Okay, so once that is done, then you need to come over here to your own dashboard right here. You are going to be seeing SSI campaign, where they are going to be rewarding their users with about 15 million SoSoValue tokens. So when you click on get SSI now, you are going to be taken to another website where you are going to be making the purchase. All right, so over here right now, the first thing that you are going to be seeing right here is this type of dashboard saying multi-asset in one token, capture crypto growth with ease. So over you can see we have a lot of indices right here, but we are going to be talking about them one after the other. Okay, so from here right now, the first thing you need to do, oh I forgot, please, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly do it to subscribe right now. On this channel I talk about crypto airdrop and how you can be able to make money in the crypto space in general. So do it to subscribe, like this video, and share the video to your friends out there so that they can also benefit. So let's get to the video. So right now, to be able to achieve this, you need a wallet. All right, so over here you need to make sure your wallet is connected. So in this case I'm using Mrs. browser for the whole stuff, and of course I already have my MetaMask wallet installed on it. So make sure your MetaMask wallet is installed so that you can easily connect your wallet to any Web3 website of your choice. Okay, so right now you need to make sure your wallet is connected. In this case you can see my wallet is already connected right here. So the first thing you need to do once you connect your wallet is to go ahead and click on buy. You can see buy right here. Click on buy. Okay, so once you click on buy, it is going to be loading up and you are going to be seeing a lot of index tokens. Okay, so over here right now, these are the index token right here. So from here right now you need to go ahead and choose the one you want to buy. So you can see they have different prices right here. They have different prices right there. So from now I'm going to be going for the first one, which is a mag 7 point SSI. I will click on buy, and once you click on buy, you are going to be taken to the swap function where you can actually do your swapping. That is over here right now you can see that I have a USDT already on my wallet. You can see it right here. This is USDT. The wallet that I connected already contain USDC, okay, on that base network. So make sure you are interacting on that base network. So over here it has read my balance, and my balance is about 23 USD. So I'm going to be using 10 USDC for this. Okay, 10 USDC. So now that I input my 10 USDC, you can see 10 USDC can actually afford 14.01 mag 7, which is the SoSoValue index token. So I will scroll down, then we have this need Ethereum on gas. So you are going to need Ethereum on base. Okay, you need Ethereum on base before you can be able to proceed with this. Now what do you need to do? So in this case I'm going to be going to my wallet. Okay, I will go to my wallet immediately. So over here on my airdrop wallet, you can see I have USDC right here, but I do not have it on base. Now what do I need to do? I need to bridge my Ethereum. You can see I have Ethereum under Ethereum blockchain, and I also have Ethereum under the Arbitrum blockchain. So I will click this. That is what I'm basically trying to do right here, is to convert my token to Ethereum on that base network so that I can use it to pay gas fee. So I will go for Ethereum on that Arbitrum blockchain. It will be easier and the fee is going to be lower as well. So from here I'm going to be going to okay, bear with me, I'm going to be going to swap. Okay, so in this case I'm going to be swapping it to something like, I'm supposed to go to bridging, not swap actually. So over here on swap, then I need to click over here. You can see where we have Arbitrum. I will click on it, then I will change my network to base. Let me see if I can actually be able to swap from you know, from Arbitrum to base. Okay, so right now I'm going to be swapping my Arbitrum token to base. So I'm going to be selecting the amount. I have 0.001. I will select 0.00, okay, 0.000. Okay, let me just 0.001. Let me swap everything. Okay, so from here I'm gonna have to scroll down until I see this swap button. I will click on swap. So right now you can see it is swapping right now, and also I'm going to be earning points for this swap that I'm making right here. Just give it a little time to load up, and in a moment we should be good to go. So you can see I've just bridged it to base right now. So coming back to my tokens, you can see now I have Ethereum on base network. All right, so right now we're good to go. So coming back right here right now, I just need to refresh this page. So right now, after refreshing the page, then I will do the whole thing again. So 10 USDC. So I will go ahead and click on swap. You can see buy, because I have gotten the gas fee required already. So this is going to be popping up my wallet. I simply need to confirm the transaction, and from there I'm going to be good to go. Okay, my wallet just popped up, so I'm gonna have to, you know, click on confirm. So this is going to be confirming this transaction right now. You can, okay, I just approved it. Now right now another wallet is going to be popping up asking me to actually confirm the last transaction right here. So I will click on confirm, and we should be good to go right now. Okay, and right now order successful. We have just bought Mark 7. We have purchased the SSI indices. So right now we need to stake it. Okay, so we click on stake right now. And over here on stake, what you need to do is very simple. You simply stake and you earn more points. All right, so you stake and you earn more points. So in this case right now, we need to select the token we want to stake. This is Mark 7 right here. You can see it over here. We are staking it. So I have 14. Let me just take 13. Okay, though this is very small, but it's still something. So when you stake it, you are going to be receiving S Mark 7. That is a kind of a proof that you actually stake. So I'm just gonna have to go ahead and click on stake. Okay, I will click on stake right now. So I need to actually approve the spending cap, and then confirm the final transaction. Now after the staking, I've been approved, then you just need to go ahead and you know, you can close the page at this point, because you have purchased the indices and you have also staked it. All right, so this is going to put you on the front row among those that are going to be claiming the airdrop this first quarter of 2026. So once you get to this point, you are good to go. So if you want to be doing extras, you can click on deposit to earn more. So this is going to be allowing you to deposit your Mark 7, which I just bought right now, and the liquidity pool as a whole into the vault. This is going to be earning you even more reward. For example, when I click on deposit to earn, remember, once you have been able to purchase the indices token and stake it, you are good to go. So all this one that I'm doing right now, I'm just trying to do extra. But before you can be able to stake over here on the sodex.com vault, you need to be whitelisted. You need to be among those that are already on the white list, or you need to be among the testnet users. So in this case, first thing, connect your wallet. You click on connect wallet, you select your wallet, make sure your wallet is connected. So from this case, they are going to be asking you to actually apply for the mainnet early bird. So I've already done that, but I don't think they have actually distributed the role already. So you need to also get alpha referral code. So if you have the code, you can put it right here before you can be able to proceed. But in case you have not been invited into the mainnet yet, or you don't have the alpha referral code, you can simply stop right there, because you need to have it before you can be able to stake your SLP right here. So for example, when you click on deposit to vault, then they are going to be asking you to enable deposit. Once you click on enable deposit, they are still going to be asking you to join the mainnet, apply for the mainnet before you can be able to do that. So this is just someone who wants to do extra. But once you have been able to buy any of the SoSoValue index token, then stake it and also stake it, you are already good to go. So basically, this is all you need to know right now as regards the SoSoValue airdrop. Also, do not forget to complete your daily tasks in order for you to stay ahead of the time and get your airdrop guaranteed. All right, so thank you for watching the video. If you have any question, let me have you right there in the comment section, and I'll be responding to you as soon as possible. Thank you, and I'll be talking to you guys on the next video.